How to disassemble Rawm MH01. Firstly, remove foot patch. This foot patch is reusable. The two screws at the bottom of the mouse needs to be unscrewed. After unscrewing the screws, pinch the side of the mouse. Pinch gently. Be careful not to use too much strength. The shell will be separated from the base plate a little bit. There should be 2 clips on each side of the mouse. You can use tools or fingernail to remove the 2 clips on both sides. Please be careful when you are completing the process above. Try not to scratch the edges of the shell or the bottom plate. When you successfully disassembled the shell and the base plate of the mouse, Rawm MH01 has a hot swap switch design. You can change the settings anytime according to your likes and favoritism. Put the shell back on. First, slide the top of the face plate onto the shell. Press both clips. Then press the mouse's tail, making sure the base is attached tightly to the shell. Screw the 2 screws in. Final, stick the foot patch back on.